No!
I've got a transit customs sitting on my back bumper, and I can tell what he's doing. He's trying to get around me, but there's nowhere to go. There's just cars, isn't there? That was a red light run. With a baby on board sticker saying, "Please drive nicely around me," and then I run red light.
With a fast, affordable funding circle business loan, with decisions in as little as 24 hours and a dedicated account manager, there's no waiting around. Thousands of businesses who have taken out a funding circle loan and help your business.
Is that Liverpool? What the? Really? They're on board.
Happy he looks.
Hello.
Because next time you see him on Monday, he will look neither clean nor happy.
Let me take a picture now, so we'll do it before and after.
Fresh.
Yeah, there'll be a fug. Where, like in nuclear power plants, where they put their hands through those big long rubber gloves.
That's right.
And operate the show.
Did he seriously just do that? Whoa, Mustang! That's dead. What's it called? It got it 60 seconds out now. Jamie's more polite than me. Hold on, let's let this fella crack. Yeah, alright, wasn't for you, I was stopping, pal. Come on, fella. Luke, you're not going to Luke, are you? She made out I'd done something wrong then. Cheers, love. Oh, it was his car. Oh dear. I like that Jag. Oh dear, 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 that is a mess.
All over the region, and I walk from car on and the point, stopping and talking to police and swamp on the canals. I feed and talk to the steering in the car on a
You get to the point where you don't feel yourself until you die. Yeah, I'm fat boy.
Damn it!
I wish you didn't drop his flip flop. That would have been.
Yeah, but stop it! You cannot say that!
That would have been funny, though, wouldn't it? Me flip-flop, me flip-flop.
Yeah, but I mean, he's got shorts and flip-flops on and it's pissing down.
It's not. Oh, see, you said it weren't going to rain.
I know, but you don't put washing out. It's alright, it's been down long enough. It's only a drizzle. It'll blow. Look, I said it wouldn't rain. I didn't know. I'm not a weatherman. Don't blame the weatherman.
It's 60. To be a radio and DJs.
Right, well, I've got a 50 warning. Oh, there's a horse box on its side. Is it a horse box? Yeah, it's a horse box. Oh, and a Jeep on its side. Jesus Christ. I've never seen this motorway have so many accidents. In the last two years, there's been so many accidents. So he's obviously been going too fast. He's got trailer wobble, lost it, and it's pulled him over. Is he turning right, or is he indicating for overtake? He's turning right. All the grids on the corner. Look at that. It's not even looped.
Learner.
Yeah, but why? They still don't know I'm here.
Not even looked.
No.
I'd have been. Yeah.
Well, because it's a learner, I didn't.
Oh, today, bunkers everywhere.
Ready to be impressed, Jen? Are you watching? Are you watching? Oh, mirrors. Like a glove! Stupid.
This guy's mine. I'll leave that to my mum's, and then do you want us to come into Wigan to you, or
Ooh!
we just nearly crashed.
It wasn't me, Dad, it was him.
No, we got a dash cam.
Yeah?
Yes.
Oh, press that.
Hey, we're dash camming. Danny will love this one. Hey, I might be on the telly.
Right, now where's that dolphin lane too? What? What are you doing?
Bob shapes.
It's a woman.
Do you want to see that?
Serve that. Oh, she's moved over now. She got the message.
Who's he flashing at?
I don't know.
Why is he trying to flash at a lorry? Oh my god, it's 50 now, that.
Serve that. Serve that. Look at him cut it up.
Oh my god. It's gone down to 50 now.
He's in this lane because he wants this lane. I don't know why he's flashing at him.
Workforce in the road.
joke? I feel like it's behind.
Oh yeah.
No. So why are they all not moving the Oh my god, that's...
Wow.
Oh my god. That is disgraceful. Why was he doing that, man?
He doesn't know it's there.
How can he not see that? Just go over. How can that man not see that? He obstructed him all the way.
He cut him up. He was about to go round the bus and that fellow just pulled straight out. Fuck around the bus as well. Because the bus had stopped.
How can he not hear it? I could hear it. I
Shouldn't
could
be
see.
driving.
I could see it from thingy.